Hi, and welcome to this 11th edition of Microsoft Monday. In this video, we will continue where we left off on the video titled How to Create and Share a Flipgrid inside of our Brightspace page, which was part 1. In part 2 of the series, we will now focus on how to add our Flipgrid account directly to our Microsoft Teams group. Now, as a recap from the previous video, after we created our Flipgrid account, we subsequently created a new group. In this case, I titled this one Qualia Sandbox course, which mimics the sample course found within my Brightspace page. And we were able to create a talk by clicking on the blue button like so. And in this sample topic titled Hello, I Am, we wanted to now share this discussion question with our students directly within inside our Brightspace page. Now, in order to have done that, we need to click on the share button, and here is going to be the direct share link where students could access the discussion question from within inside of Brightspace. So we were able to click on the copy button, and you can see now it says copied. We're going to X out of that window. And then in our other tab, I have my sample sandbox course right within Brightspace. And as a best practice, I recommend that you could add the link directly inside of your course announcements page. So from the previous video, I titled the announcement as How to Create and Share a Flipgrid, and I left a message for my students, and I said, click on the link to access the class Flipgrid at, and what I did was I pasted the share link directly from within inside of the announcements page. So when the students clicked on the link, it would automatically bring them to the Flipgrid page where they would be able to now click on the topic discussion, read the question, the question and the follow-up instructions that you provided, and at this point now use the recording tools to complete the assigned work. In this video today now, let's now take this Flipgrid account and subsequently add it into our Microsoft Teams group. So if you are a teacher who happens to be using Microsoft Teams, this could be accomplished in several steps by going to the menu bar located on the very top of the screen, click on the plus symbol, and we're going to add the Flipgrid app directly to our menu bar. So the first thing that you need to do is paste that active share link, and this is going to be the share link to the original question that I had created inside of Flipgrid, and we can see that there's a message stating that they found the link. And at this point now, click on Save in order to add that discussion question directly from within our Teams group. So there you can see that within inside of my General tab, students now have access to the Flipgrid discussion question right within the window. So what this means is you don't have to now open up a subsequent web browser, which will then require students to leave Microsoft Teams to access the Flipgrid from the web. In this instance now, when students click on Join with Microsoft, they're able to access the discussion from within the application window found within Teams. And at this point, once the student logs in successfully into their account using their school board username and password, they're able to now sign in. And the idea is that the discussion question will automatically be posted directly within the General tab. So this is nice because it's kind of one-stop shop in that the discussion question is posted, and if the students wanted to now record a response, they can do so by clicking on the red button like so. There are other things to keep in mind as well. If you want access to your educator account, you can click on the educator dashboard, which would then correspondingly allow us to go back into the web where you could now access the administration page by clicking on your profile picture and clicking on profile, which would then give you access to your account settings, social media settings, default topic settings, and integrations, along with managing the discussion questions. You also have access to the share code. So if you are looking for the share code for your students to copy, this is where they can click on the link to highlight and copy the code, and they would be able to access that as well from the web if they so choose. So there you have it, folks. I hope that this video clarifies how to add a Flipgrid to your Microsoft Teams page. And again, we look forward to continuing supporting you. Please reach out to the TEL team if you have any further questions or concerns. Thank you everyone very much. Bye-bye.